Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Goal Seek in Excel, only way. Open your worksheet, identify the formula cell that displays the result and the input cell to change, then choose Data What If Analysis Goal Seek. Enter the target value and the cell to adjust, run Goal Seek, and review the new input. I'll explain common pitfalls and tips so you can use Goal Seek confidently in your spreadsheets. Start by selecting the cell with the formula result, then note which input cell controls that result. Go to Data What If Analysis Goal Seek, set cell to the result cell, to value to your target, and by changing cell to the input. Click OK to let Excel iterate and return a solution. If Goal Seek fails, try different starting values or check for circular references. I'll show troubleshooting tips next. Quick recommendation: if you find this helpful, please subscribe and like the video, it really helps the channel. On another note, these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep spreadsheets and lunches equally safe from spills, which I appreciate during long work sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab them. Thanks for your support and attention, appreciate it. Now let's get back to the video. See Goal Seek used for break-even calculations, loan payments, and target pricing by changing price or quantity. For a loan example, set the payment formula cell as set cell, enter the desired payment into value, and change the interest or term cell. For break-even, set profit cell to 0 and change sales volume or price and scenarios. These examples help you apply Goal Seek to everyday financial and planning tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.